हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम पायल जैन है। एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल टीचर टेक्नोलॉजी में। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे और हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो एक लाइक कर दे। दोस्तों, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरी वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। आज मैं इस वीडियो में OnePlus 10 Pro स्मार्टफोन के बारे में आपको बताऊंगी। मैं इस वीडियो में पहले मोबाइल की अनबॉक्सिंग करूंगी, उसके बाद गेमिंग टेस्ट और फिर इस मोबाइल का रिव्यू करूंगी। दोस्तों, आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।
One of the most enticing features of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G is its camera. For imaging, the device has a second generation Hasselblad camera that captures 1 billion colors, which is way better than the first gen Hasselblad camera. It processes 64 times more color information. The rear facing camera setup includes a 48 megapixel primary camera. It also has a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera that has a 150-degree field of view, giving you wider shots than the previous generation. On the front, the device has a 32 megapixel camera with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform. Processor allows up to a 30% saving in power consumption, and the CPU is 10% faster, implying that the OnePlus 10 Pro has a large screen with a QHD plus AMOLED fluid display, offering higher pixel density compared to FHD displays. The refresh rate changes from 1 Hz to 120 Hz based on your phone usage. The 120 Hz The device is powered by a 5000 mAh dual cell battery that supports 80 watt Super VOOC fast wire charging and 50 watt Air VOOC fast wireless charging. You can crank it up to the highest quality settings and your phone will still run. And here comes the highlight for all the gamers out there: the HyperBoost gaming engine experience during long gaming sessions, the Emerald Forest and the Volcanic Black. The OnePlus 10 Pro's ceramic rare looks great with a sandpaper texture. Additionally, the phone offers dual SIM card slot and offers great 5G connectivity as well. Talking about the OS, the phone runs on the Oxygen OS 12.1 based on Android 12.1. The device has got an in-display fingerprint reader. It also includes
Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Check if there are any updates for the Qualcomm Voice Assist app. Launch the Alexa app. Log in with your Amazon ID. Give permissions to Alexa and Qualcomm Voice Assist. Make sure to go for voice training so Alexa can learn your voice. Alexa. Alexa. You can allow Alexa to respond even when your phone is locked. Give Alexa access to your contact list to make hands-free calls. Here is the Alexa home screen. Now you're all set. Why not ask Alexa a question? Alexa, how are you?
I'm happy to be talking to you. How are you doing?
I'm great too, thanks.
So glad to hear it.
To access Alexa through touch, make sure to add it as a widget on the home screen. Tap and hold the Alexa icon, click widget and drag it into position. From here, Alexa is just one tap away at all times.